Arabic name is Abdullah. I've been here for around 8 years, and I've studied 2 different majors. The first one is law, and the second one is international trade and relations. It's learning all about how China and other countries and businesses in China and outside China can interact and do business with each other. China has developed a lot in recent years. It had already developed quite a bit when I first got here, but even more so now, which is really impressive considering the state of the world. Today we have something called the Belt and Road Initiative. It connects China with the rest of the world. It goes all the way to Europe, Africa, and that includes the Middle East. So my hope, I can even call it a dream, that me and other people from my country can form a really strong bond with China. Because if we can develop together, we'll develop even more. And it benefits everybody. In fact, I've recently opened a company, a business, and it is in par with what I was saying about connecting China with the Middle East. It's actually a trading company where we import and export and help other people import and export. And that's my first step into life, independent life here in China. Xiamen University provided me with such a strong foundation, both in understanding China and understanding the people around me and getting used to the place in general, let alone my actual studies and my major. I wish that the rest of the world can learn about Xiamen University, understand what makes it so great, and I hope more people feel inspired to come here and start their life like I started mine.